Welcome back to Genius Lab, where we explore the fascinating world of physics. Today, we'll be diving into some important concepts: acceleration, velocity, displacement, distance, and speed. These are essential to understanding how objects move, whether it's a car speeding down the highway or a ball thrown in the air. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about speed and velocity. You've probably heard these terms thrown around, but they aren't quite the same thing. Speed is the rate at which an object covers distance. It's a scalar quantity, meaning it only has magnitude, how fast you're going, without any regard to direction. For example, if the car is moving at 50 kilometers per hour, that's its speed. Velocity, on the other hand, is a vector quantity. This means it has both magnitude and direction. So, if that same car is moving at 50 kilometers per hour north, its velocity is 50 kilometers per hour north. Velocity tells you both how fast something is moving and in which direction. Section 2. Distance versus displacement. Now, let's talk about distance and displacement. Distance is simply the total path traveled by an object, regardless of the direction. If you walk in a big circle, the distance is the total length of the path you walked. Displacement, on the other hand, is the shortest straight-line distance between the starting and ending points, and it includes direction. If you started at one point and ended up right next to it, your displacement could be zero, even though you walked a long distance. Acceleration. Next, let's explore acceleration. Acceleration is the rate at which an object changes its velocity. If your car goes from 0 to 60 kilometers per hour in 10 seconds, that's acceleration in action. It's not just about speeding up. Acceleration can also involve slowing down or changing direction. Remember, acceleration is a vector, which means it also has a direction. If you're slowing down, your acceleration is in the opposite direction of your motion. That's called negative acceleration or deceleration. Now, let's look at the key formulas for these concepts. 1. Speed equals distance divided by time. 2. Velocity equals displacement divided by time. 3. Acceleration equals change in velocity divided by time.